Hello, everyone. The purpose of my group's presentation today is for the groups to better visualize wireless network technology. So first, let's join our group to learn about wireless networks. It is common for people to wonder, what is a wireless network? Because while they exist nearly everywhere people live and work, how they work is often a mystery. Assume that all wireless is Wi-Fi, and many would be surprised to discover that the two are not synonymous. Both use RF, but there are many different types of wireless networks across a range of technologies: Bluetooth, Zigbee, LTE, 5G. Specific to the wireless protocol defined by the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers IEEE in the 800.11 specification and its amendments. There are now more types of wireless communication on the market than we thought would be possible. Wireless is now a casual name for quite a few of them. Not all kinds of wireless are equal, however, and not all can or are used in the same applications. Some of these terms may be familiar to you: radio and television broadcasting, radar communication, cellular communication, global position systems GPS. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and radio frequency identification are all examples of wireless, with wildly different uses. In some cases, wireless communication technology is a modern alternative to traditional wired networking. While wired networks rely on cables to connect digital devices together, wireless networks rely on wireless technologies. There are more subtle technology differences that come into play between wired and wireless. Most modern wired networks are now full duplex, meaning that they can be transmitting, receiving packets in both directions simultaneously. In addition, most wired networks have a dedicated cable that runs to each end-user device. In a Wi-Fi network, the medium is a shared resource, not just for the users of the network, but often for other technologies as well. This has several implications. One, unlike a wired network, wireless can't both talk and listen at the same time. It is half duplex. 2, all users are sharing the same space must take turns to talk. 3, everyone can hear all traffic going on. This has forced Wi-Fi networks to implement various security measures over the years to protect the confidentiality of information passed wirelessly. The origins of wireless technology can be traced back to the late 19th century, with the invention of radio communication by pioneers such as Guglielmo Marconi. This laid the foundation for wireless telephony, radio broadcasting, and early wireless networking. The emergence of Wi-Fi technology in the 1990s marked a significant milestone, revolutionizing wireless networks and paving the way for the connectivity we enjoy today. The progression of underlying technologies has played a pivotal role in the evolution of WANs, enabling faster and more reliable communication. Advancements in radio frequency, signal processing, and network protocols have contributed to developing wireless networks as we know them today. These advancements have allowed for the proliferation of wireless devices, the seamless integration of wireless connectivity into various industries, and the continuous innovation of wireless technologies that shape the future of wireless communication. A large number of technologies were developed to support wireless networking in different scenarios. Mainstream wireless technologies include Wi-Fi, especially popular in home networks and as a wireless hotspot technology. Bluetooth, for low-power and embedded applications. Cellular Internet. Wireless home automation standards like Zigbee and Z-Wave. Other technologies still under development but likely to play a role in wireless networks of the future include 5G cellular internet and leafy visible light communication. Wireless computer networks offer several distinct advantages compared to wired networks, but are not without a downside. The primary and most obvious advantage of using wireless technology is the huge mobility it offers. Not only does wireless let you use devices untethered to a wall, but they also eliminate unsightly cables that inevitably have to be dealt with in wired networks. Disadvantages of wireless include additional security concerns. No longer are your devices only reachable manually with physical access. They can be penetrated by hacker rooms or sometimes even buildings away from a wireless access point. Another downside to using wireless technologies is the increased potential for radio interference due to weather, other wireless devices, or obstructions like walls. In fact, there are several other factors to consider when comparing wired and wireless networks, like cost, performance, and reliability. A wireless network is the network that allows different devices to stay connected to the network. While in wireless network, the connected devices can roam untethered to any wires. Here, the access point amplifies the Wi-Fi signal, so keeping a device far from the router won't harm its connectivity. Wireless network is extremely convenient. Wireless networking encourages collaboration. The installation of a wireless network is quick and cost-effective, as it eliminates the wiring expenses, hence it requires less cost for its operation. Modern-day wireless networks are capable of providing robust security protections. A wireless connection offers robust security features, including role-based access control, secure guest access, and real-time security updates. This helps maintain a safe network environment without significantly investing in additional security solutions. Furthermore, cloud-based wireless networks are scalable and can easily be expanded or contracted based on a business's needs. This flexibility makes them ideal for companies with fluctuating network demands. Lastly, providers of cloud-based wireless networks offer ongoing support and updates, ensuring that your network remains up to date with the latest features and security measures. This helps reduce the burden on your IT staff and allows them to focus on more strategic initiatives. Traditional forms of internet service rely on telephone lines, cable television lines, and fiber optic cables. While the underlying core of the internet remains wired, several alternative forms of internet technology utilize wireless to connect homes and businesses. The result of the concept of the Internet of Things IoT is that we're seeing wireless being integrated into an increasing number of places where it wasn't used before. Apart from home networking, watches, refrigerators, vehicles, and many other devices, sometimes even clothing, are gradually being fitted with wireless communication capabilities. Because of the nature of wireless technology, all of these devices can be paired together for seamless integration with each other. For example, your phone can trigger your smart thermostat to adjust the temperature of your home when you leave. Your smart lights can turn on when you get home, and your smart scale can keep tabs on your weight loss progress. To build a wireless network requires certain types of computer hardware. Portable devices like phones and tablets feature built-in wireless radios. Wireless broadband routers power many home networks. Other kinds of equipment include external adapters and range extenders. Wireless network equipment can be complex to develop. Consumers recognize popular brand names of wireless routers and related home network gear, but many do not realize how many internal components they contain and how many different vendors produce them. Premises, wireless technologies employ radio waves and or microwaves to maintain wireless communication channels between computers. While many technical details behind wireless protocols like Wi-Fi often aren't important to understand, knowing the basics about Wi-Fi can be very helpful when configuring a network and troubleshooting problems. The wireless tech we know today had its origins in scientific research going back several decades. Nikola Tesla pioneered wireless electric lighting and power transmission, for example, areas that continue to be an active area of study today for such usages as wireless charging. Wireless networks enable businesses to provide secure connectivity, remote access, scalable growth, and streamlined operations. By leveraging cloud management, customizable guest access, and continuity, companies across industries use wireless technology to increase productivity, visibility, and competitive edge. In closing, wireless networks have revolutionized connectivity, evolving from early radio breakthroughs to omnipresent Wi-Fi, accessing resources and serving industries through remote troubleshooting and scalability. Various network types now provide purposes, complete from linking individual devices to enabling comprehensive communication. Wireless technology will further enhance operations and experiences across sectors with continued innovation.